Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my IPSY Glam Bag. I have not gotten my IPSY Boxycharm, whatever you want to call it. I haven't gotten it. And I got some things from the Mega Drop Shop. I got them today with this. So I'm filming this on Friday night, and you're seeing this on Saturday. I have not received mail in 1 week. And then when I did get mail at 7 p.m. this evening, I didn't get my Boxycharm, and I have no information. The information, I don't know. I'm gonna have to contact them. Anyway, I'm not gonna worry about it. It'll be, it'll be what it'll be. But this is the February bag, and I did get a couple of add-ons, just a couple little add-ons. And I like the design of this, and I'll use it again. Camille is right here. So let's see what I got. Always double check your bag. See this, they could have put my, as little as my add-ons are, they could have put it in here, but they put it in a big giant bag. So I don't know, I don't understand them. But this is the bag, and everything that I got is in the bag. So look at, oh, how cute is that? It's very, very cute. It's very, very cute. It reminds me of something that my sister, who is not little anymore, but I was 15 when she was born, reminds me of something that she would have loved. And that's super pretty. I will say it's pretty. It does say IPSY on the hardware. The hardware is silver, and it is like a velvet, and then it has these sequins on it. It's really picking up the light really cool. So it's really cool. Okay, and I do have a card. I think there's always a card, but not always with your stuff inside. So let's see if my stuff is inside. My stuff is inside. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited because you don't always get that. So, and I haven't gotten the big glam bag in a while. This is my second month, I think. Or maybe I got it in December. I can't remember now. But I just recently signed up for it right before they changed the price. So before that, I used to always get the card that tells you what's in your bag. So I'm used to that, So this says, the moment you've been waiting for, 5 new products valued up to $70 are yours. And then they're all listed on here. And for the month of February, it is Glow Your Soul. So it says, come clean. There's never been a better time to give yourself a clean slate, literally. I think IPSY is trying to, to go all clean ingredients, which is really cool. Camille has sat down on everything. So let's see what's in this bag. I'm excited to see what's in here. Of course, I know a little bit. They're in my choices. Now I'm looking at this, and okay, well, we're gonna have, in my choices, you get to pick one item. You get 5 items, and you get to pick one. And I picked a palette, of course, because if there's a palette to be picked, I'm going to pick a palette. Oh, it's tiny. It's super cute. But I also could pick from Toy Factory setting powder, Beauty for Certain lip oil, an eyeliner that is YC Collection green, and I got that also. The Dido Fine Mist, oh, what do they call that for fixing your makeup? And a Yensa face cream. So I chose the palette, which is right here, and it's nicely wrapped. It's so cute. Now, I don't know, let's see what it says in here about the palette, because you do get some full-size items sometimes. All of my items, oh, it does say it's a full size for this. Well, how cool is that? It's tiny though, but it's so cute. It's by the brand Lucky Chick. It is called Daydreams, and that's up there. You can hardly see it. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. I've got a little girl right here. She's right below camera line. Right below, and she's waving her tail at me, which usually means, they're mad at you for something. What else is new? So this is adorable. It's plastic. And, I can't ever open a plastic palette. I can't do it. There we go. There's no mirror. Isn't that pretty? Oh, those are pretty, y'all. Now, I love those colors. I've never had any, well, I could say I've never had anything from Lucky Chick. Maybe I have. Personally, I don't think so. But these are beautiful This is a shimmer up here and a glitter here. And these two are like satins maybe. And then the rest are mattes. And it's wonderful neutrals with that lilac in there and that fabulous gold in the center. It's really, really pretty. We might swatch it at the end. But then sometimes I think if I'm not sure I'm going to use it, why bother? Because I'd rather give it to one of y'all if I'm not going to use it. So let me just put it aside for a minute, and we'll see what else is in the bag. And since we're talking about the bag, it is lined. It's all lined with pink. The tag is no longer, you remember that nice leather tag that used to be in there. So it's nice that it has IPSY on this tag. I just think it's so pretty. It really shows on camera so beautifully. So beautifully. This is the other item that I could have chose from, but I didn't pick it, and I'm glad to get it because it's hard to pick, when they give you 6 or 8 things to pick from, and you want more than one. This is YC collection, and see, now this is full size. I do have 2 full-size items. Island eyeliner in YUNQUE. Yunk. Is that supposed to be like unique? I don't know. This revolutionary gel eyeliner is way ahead of its time. Not only does the smooth formula slide on effortlessly to enhance your eyes, but the multichromatic green pencil also transforms into different shades depending on the lighting. Swipe the pencil across your waterline for intensified eyes and smudge to create a smoky look. So $20 value for this. That little palette, they said it was a $20 value. So this is shrink wrapped. So you think I'm going to be able to get that off of there? If you twist it, that helps. Yeah, there it goes. Laura the Bargain Hunter. I told her forever in my life I'll be saying that because she taught me that trick. And it works every time. Let me get this off of here. So I got all the plastic off of here, y'all, but it was stuck to me forever. It took forever to get it off of me because, all the heat, all the static. But anyway, this is very nice. I've had this brand before, the YC collection. $20 value, y'all, and it's, I'm glad I got it. So it's green. I love a nice green. I love different colored eyeliners, and it says to use on your waterline also. It has a real nice sharp point to it. Oh, it's very pretty. It's, I don't know that you can really see it that well. It's got a glitter to it. Can you see it maybe if I move it this way and that way? And then it has this little sponge at the end here that you can buff with if you wanted to. So, so that I'm happy to get that. So how much fun. I got 2 full-size items. And next I have the Sutra Heat Guard Leave-In Cream. This is a deluxe sample, and it's introducing the golden ticket to flawless frizz-free hair. This rich leave-in conditioner, or leave-in treatment, works by infusing your hair with moisture and nutrition to help leave it looking healthy and hydrated. Okay. It just says work a generous amount of cream into your damp hair and then style as usual. So a lot of these kinds of things are good if you're going to blow dry your hair, which I do. It's sealed. So this is a decent size for you to try and see if you like it. It says that it has heat guard, so it's great for, I blow dry my hair and then I do use a flat iron. So, and then I have this Lauren's skincare. See, some of that plastic is all over. Oh my goodness. I can't get it off of me. Seriously. This is, oh my God, I can't get it off of me. See what I can't get that off of me, y'all. This is really cute. This is Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. Deluxe sample. It says slather the lotion all over your body. It's sealed. I already looked. This was shrink wrapped. So I was surprised to see that it does have a seal on it. But that's, that's good. So that's, again, a good size for you to try it and see if you like it. It's all the way full. I can see in there that it's all the way full. And it's good through 2026. So that's very nice. And then last, my 5th item is First Aid Beauty. This is the Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. The days of worrying about your next breakout are over. See, I have filled out the thing. I filled it out. And I'm 62. This doesn't have a seal on it. That's a little weird. So why am I getting acne items? But I get them in my Boxy too. So those are my 5 items. I'll take pictures and show them on Instagram if you want to see them again. I got these 3. And then I got this really adorable palette. It's just adorable. And this green liner, which is really pretty the way it shimmers, if you can see it. It's very pretty. And then I got a couple of add-ons, and I do want to tell you what I'm wearing. Look at the bag. I love the bag. I personally don't love the bag. I mean, you know, you feel the sequins and all. As far as that, I wouldn't necessarily use the bag. It's great for a gift. I'd put a gift in here, but it's so pretty. I could just like to hang it in my background because it catches the light. It's so pretty. It's nice for Valentine's. It's nice for February. It's January. I don't know what day it is, y'all. I really don't. Okay, so I have the Tarte Shape Tape, they call it, in Ultra Creamy. And I mean, the Ultra Creamy Shape Tape. And the color that I have is called Light Sand. This is what I have, and I like it. So when I see it for $3.50, I get it. And this is what I got. But I wasn't at home when I picked it, so I had to do my best on picking the color. Now that doesn't look too horribly different, but this, when I first took this out of that container, it looks white. It looks white to me, and it's called Fair Neutral. So out of the choices that they gave, this one looked more like me, and it matches my hand, but it doesn't match my face, you know, so it's for, you know, under eye or whatever, you know, for blemishes. I just said I don't get blemishes, but you know, get some sometimes. I use it under my eyes. It's the Double Duty Beauty, and it is the Shape Tape. So I brought it out to show you because this is how it used to be. It's smaller than it used to be. That's quite a same size tallness, but look at how much bigger, how much, well, maybe not. It seems to me this is fatter than that. That's the way everything is going though. $3.50 for that, and it is worth it. And then I got the Kate Somerville. This is Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I don't see this very often on IPSY, especially in the $3.50. So this tube is, except for this part right here, it's completely full. So a lot of use out of this for $3.50. The full size of this is $49.50. So this is well worth $3.50. And it's also great for giveaways so that some of y'all that really want to try it might be able to try it if I send it to you. So what am I wearing today? I've been trying to remember to tell you guys. I am wearing this palette. This is by Juvia's Place. I'm almost positive I got this from Andy Does Stuff. I think she was decluttering this last year. It is the Warrior by Juvia's Place, and it's stunning. It doesn't have a mirror, I don't think. Yeah, no mirror. It's gorgeous neutrals with shimmers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 shimmers, and matte, matte, and matte. So I love it, and that's what I have on right now. And I am wearing Charlotte Tilbury. I still have that plastic on me, y'all. There's pieces everywhere. I have the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. This is the lip liner, Lip Cheat. And then I have, this is Pillow Talk, and it is this style of lippy, like that. And that's what I'm wearing. And I really like it. It's very comfortable on. It's, it doesn't dry down. The lip, I like the lip liner. I don't always use lip liners, but since I have it in them, you know, to me they go together, even though this is a little bit lighter. I did put it on today, and I thought it went well with my neutral look. So that's what I'm wearing, y'all. Thanks for stopping by to see what I got in my glam bag, and hopefully I'll get my Boxycharm. I don't know. I'll let you know. You'll be the first to know. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful weekend.